So always visualize your success. Now, when we talk about visualizing success, the I showed you on there how I was able to have the calendar broken down in the 10-day duration. I talked about how in the morning time I visualize what my day is going to be. I have to do that every day. Before I walk into the studio, I plan out mentally what my day is going to be. All right. But I'm going to show you what that looks like on a professional level. Let me bring this out to you. Visualizing success. Let me show you this. You have to see this. Let me pull this up for you. All right, let me show you. This is what it looks like on a top level of visualizing your success, visualizing your day and what it's going to look like, visualizing what your path is going to be. And this is from the Blue Angels. All right, the Blue Angels and how they go about visualizing everything from their success. Now, I always talk about this as well when it comes to pilots, when it comes to surgeons, when it comes to people in high pressure jobs. Even though they have 100,000 hours of training and they've done it so many times, they've gone to school so many times, they've done it, they still have a checklist that they come into. They still have a checklist of what they need to do. And this is something that you need to have as well. Even though you visualize it, we need to have a checklist. That way you cross it off, because if not, it's easy to forget in high stress situations and high pressure. There's always something to be like, am I missing something? But you're going to be able to hit your mark. You're going to be able to hit your money as long as you create an easy checklist for you to follow. Because if not, you're going to miss something. All right, let me show you this.
Will be in from in front of the crowd for the burner 270. Out of the burner 270 will run a crowd right behind the crowd with airspeed calls, and the Delta will be in from behind the crowd for the Delta. Roll. Horizon 75 easing power idle.
Now you see how he's closing his eyes so he can visualize it? A lot of them are closing their eyes when they're going over it. They're going over the cockpit, they're doing the checklist, but they're visualizing it of what they need to do. And the caption here is, this is how you should visualize your day when you wake up.
Ready, roll hat. On. 1 mile. Mark. Ground speed. Smoke up, push. Airspeed call. All right, Diamond, Souls, Car Tower, Burner. Let's have it going. The Diamond will be in from in front of the crowd for the burner 270.
How cool is that?
Out of the burner 270 will run a crowd
I love
right behind
that.
the crowd with airspeed calls.
Because look, you can even see where they're even marking down their
Horizon
routine.
75 easing power idle.
The same. He's closing his eyes, he's visualizing it. He's even putting it into muscle memory of what his body is going to be doing.
Ready, roll hat. On.
That's how I am when I'm thinking about the paintbrush. I'm thinking about what I'm going to do. I'm thinking about the table. I got it all mapped out.
1 mile. Mark. Ground speed.
Look at that. Closing the eyes and everything. Looking over.
Smoke up, push. Airspeed call.
Look, they're even visualizing the G-force.
All right, Diamond, Souls, Car Tower, Burner.
How cool is that? I mean, and I'm pretty sure most people here have had a chance to either see Blue Angels in real life or you've seen a video. So you know how precise they are when it comes to their job. And they've done it so much. Right? Ship the paperwork. I was just reading some of the comments right there. So that way you could just have an idea of a professional mindset, you know, going into things and how you could visualize it. Don't just go in there just winging it, because you're not going to be successful that way. And I know this firsthand because there was times where I wasn't successful because I was just trying to wing it without having some type of checklist, without some type of structure on how to get there. And there we have it right there. That's the end of the video. Like I said, you don't have to be a traditional artist. You can do this for yourself. You can start making money as early as next week. You can have everything mapped out and set up for you. Click the link below. Join us in the eBay art community so you can do this for yourself. But if you're not interested, then that's fine too. Just leave me a like on this video. Let me know that you appreciate the art that we're creating and the cool stuff that we're talking about and that you're vibing with it. Hey, that means the world to me as well. All right, I'm going to check you out on the next video.